Is there a love affair behind the Diggs yacht turmoil? The AI analyzes his and Cardi B's Instagram secrets. This party not only put Stefon Diggs on the hot search, but also called into question his relationship with Cardi B again. The two have appeared together in public many times. Diggs and Cardi B have been in the same frame frequently over the past month, Met Galas, NBA games, and this controversial party. How can I use Dolphin Radar to see clues from their recent IG followers? It's very simple. Click on Toolkit, select Recent Follower Tracker, and enter the IG username to view.